Hello, today we'll be doing Wylock 2nd grade worksheet lesson 23. We'll be doing plane shapes. Name each shape and fill in the blank. So here we have a triangle, and I know this is a triangle because it has 3 sides. From this point to this point, it counts as one side. So here to here, 1, here to here, 1, here to here, 1. So in total, 3 sides. And so how many angles would that be? It would be 3. Next we have a rectangle. I know this is a rectangle because it has 2 sides that are equal and 2 sides that are both equal. So here and here, they're equal, and then we have this long side, and this is equal. So how many pairs of equal sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs of equal sides. How many right angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4. Next, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it has 6 sides and 6 angles, this is a hexagon. Let's go to the next page. Here we have telling time. Draw the hands on the clock by matching the time given. Here we have 3:35. So let's draw the shorthand, and I'll be pointing at 3, between 3 and 4. And since 6 is 30, so 30, this would be 35. So the long hand would point at 7. 3:35. Next we have 9:30, and the long hand will point at 6 because that's 30. And then we point at 9. And here we have 9:30. Next we have 5:50. So 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So long hand will be at 50. This is the long hand, and then 5 would be the short hand. Point at 5. The hands could be whatever length, but if it's 50 or any number here, this would be the long hand. Let's go to the next page, reading picture graphs. Read the picture graph and answer the questions. Lucy and her friends collect marbles. This picture graph shows how many marbles they have. So how many marbles do the friends have in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 marbles. Who has the most marbles? Since they're lined up here, this one has the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other spaces are empty, so this one has the most. And who is that? Abigail. You can also count the marbles to see who has the most. How many marbles does Madison have? This is Madison. 1, 2, 3, 4. Madison has 4 marbles. How many marbles does Abigail have? Abigail has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 marbles. Who has the fewest marbles? If we look up here, let's look at the blank spaces. This one has most, this one has second most, this one has third, This one only has 3. So Olivia has 3 marbles. How many marbles do Lucy and Abigail have together? We'll be adding Lucy and Abigail. Lucy and Abigail. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many marbles do Lucy and Abigail have together? 11 marbles. How many more marbles does Abigail have than Olivia? So here's Abigail, then Olivia. Since they're lined up here, let's count 1, 2, 3. Abigail has 3 more marbles than Olivia. Let's go to the next page. Word problems. Jacob is a farmer and he has 30 sheep and 21 goats on his farm. Some of his sheep and goats escape from their pen. If Jacob still has 38 sheep and goats on the farm, how many escaped? So since he has 30 sheep and 21 goats, let's add them to see how many sheep and goats he has in total. 30 plus 21. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. So he has 51 in total. But if Jacob still has 38 sheep and goats on the farm, how many escaped? So we'll subtract 31 by 38 to find out how many sheep and goats escaped. So 51 minus 38. 1 cannot subtract 8, so we'll take 1 from 5. 5 will become 4, and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8, we can draw this out. Here we have 11, and let's subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. We are left off with 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So how many sheep and goats on the farm escaped? 13 sheep and goats. That is our last question. Thank you for watching.